Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sleepover with my friend Alexis. So today we are going to the movies, and then we're going to be coming back and getting ready for this party that we're doing, party-ish summer, I don't know what it is, thing at our church. It's going to be really fun, and it is our last night. But yeah, and then then we're going to be doing a trampoline sleepover and figuring out all that stuff. So hopefully we're gonna be able to sleep outside because, yeah. So it should be fun, and it is in our backyard, so it is not in the front yard. So we wouldn't be doing that if it was in our front yard. Yeah. Anyways, let's go get ready for the movies. This girl be having boy problems. Okay, so we just watched Minions. It was okay, but it could have been better. So now we're going to Blitz. Okay, so this is our setup. You can't see. We slept in a trampoline. I wasn't able to vlog it because it was really dark and my phone died. So, but it was really fun. We stayed up until like 1:30 in the morning. So
I stayed up till like 3.
I stayed up until 1 in the morning.
I was sick tired.
So now we're gonna play this game called Off Topic. It says a game for those slightly off. It has like designs on it. So editing me here, I kind of realized that this game that we played, we got it for this weird like white elephant game that my family played last year, and so it wasn't the most appropriate game, but we made it. We didn't make it inappropriate, so but that's what we tried to do. But yeah, okay, back to the video. So yeah, we're gonna try to play this, and okay, so we sort of got it. We got the first part down. Technically this game is for 17 and up, but it's okay, we're playing it, and
we're just gonna be appropriate.
Yeah, we're gonna be appropriate. So, and go. Okay, end. Okay, so, my eraser came off. Okay, I need the card. Duh. Okay, things that are wet.
And
Noodles? That's so
technically, yeah.
That's true, actually. Oh, I got it. Wait. So we got some drinks. There's Canada Dry.
Really bad.
It does look like, okay. It's Canada Dry, so.
Yeah.
But I've so far won 3 rounds, and she so far has won 1.
Which was the second round?
Yes. Because I only got 1 song, and it was like song titles that start with R. So. Okay. You done?
No.
Okay, so we are back inside the house and we are going to be making clay, air dry clay stuff. Yeah. So we're using Das Clay, not sponsored.
Like they would sponsor me.
Anyways, this is air dry clay, so I'll be giving her thing like, and we'll probably be painting like the next time, or I'll probably be painting mine in some other video. So, oh my gosh, the camera is shaking. Okay, so yeah, we're using Das Clay. She is making a bowl. She wants to make a fruit bowl, not like an actual, like where you put the fruit in, but like, yeah, you get what I mean. Okay, I'll put some reference photos up, hopefully if I remember. Anyways, I am doing a bunny because I've been wanting to, and I got armature stuff, so, editing Kyra here again. So I realized my sculptures, I like pretty much completely messed up. It looked horrible, and I felt like if I just kept going, it'd just be a waste of time, and I just would never really like it. So I'm just gonna scrap it, and then maybe do another video at some point. Well, I will be doing videos of me trying and probably failing at making clay stuff, but oh well. And I'm pretty sure that Alexis's bowl stuck, like it dried onto the bowl we were using for her to like shape it. It looked really good, but I'm not totally sure how to get it off the bowl. So we're gonna try that. But yeah, okay, back to the video. Yes. And then I got tinfoil, but my dad took it, so
We'll work with it.
yeah. But we're getting it back, so yeah. She's gonna start making her bowl. I'll be waiting for the tinfoil. Okay, so I got my ball, and so this is gonna be my bunny body.
I got my rolled up thing.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with that. I'm supposed to use tape to go around this, but I like don't want to. So, but if that makes you mad, comment down below because okay. So she's smoothing out her bowl. I've got my little bunny body here. It's kind of
It's like a potato.
it does look like a potato. But trying to smooth out more of the thing. It does have air pockets in it, which is not very good. Okay, so we're taking a break from clay sculpting. I couldn't think of the word. So we kind of made a mess over there, but she made a bowl, which I will show now. See, this is her bowl. This is sort of my bunny. It's yeah, it kind of looks like an alien. But yeah, I think the head is a little bit too big, a lot too big for the body. So it's kind of like, yeah. But yeah. We are both going to 4th of July parties. She's going to a different one, but we're going to my uncle's house. So I'll try to vlog that if I remember. But yeah, so Alexis is gonna be saying bye, and yeah, so we're gonna be dropping her off.
Bye.
guys enjoyed my video. If you want more of Alexis, comment down below, and we will try to get her in. My kitty's here, so don't bite me, don't bite me, don't bite me. So if you want more of her in some videos, then comment down below. And I hope this was good. So subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the notification to know when I post a new video. And yeah. So happy 4th of July. Go America, or whatever. Yeah. All right. Bye, guys.